This 2022 Grand Design Imagine 3250BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, leveling jacks, oven, water heater, spare tire kit, smoke detector, TV, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, rear dinette, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Imagine 3250BH is 8,496 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.